Welcome back to the channel everyone, where power meets innovation and the future of driving comes to life. If you love trucks that command the road, then buckle up, because today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Kenworth Pickup Truck. Yes, you heard that right. Kenworth, the legendary name behind America's toughest semi-trucks, has finally entered the pickup game, and it's nothing short of a revolution. For decades, Kenworth has been the backbone of long-haul trucking, a brand built on durability, torque, and pure American strength. But 2026 marks a new chapter. The company has taken its decades of heavy-duty expertise and compressed it into a high-performance, luxury-grade pickup truck that looks ready to dominate highways, work sites, and even off-road trails. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Kenworth pickup makes a bold statement. The front fascia carries that unmistakable Kenworth DNA, a massive chrome grille with vertical slats, LED headlamps that resemble those of its big rigs, and a muscular hood that seems to pulse with power. The body design is both aerodynamic and aggressive, featuring sculpted fenders, rugged side steps, and a rear bed that's ready to take on any challenge. It's a pickup that doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Under the hood, Kenworth has gone all out. The 2026 pickup is powered by a revolutionary twin-turbo 4.5-liter diesel hybrid engine, delivering an astonishing 720 horsepower and over 1,000 pound-feet of torque. That's right, this beast produces torque levels that even rival some semi-trucks. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Kenworth's proprietary all-wheel drive system, it can tow up to 25,000 pounds without breaking a sweat. Whether it's hauling equipment, towing a trailer, or simply flexing its muscles on the open road, this pickup doesn't flinch. But Kenworth didn't stop at raw power. The engineers have worked to create a refined driving experience that feels futuristic and commanding at the same time. The suspension is fully adaptive, meaning it automatically adjusts to terrain changes, giving you a smooth ride whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rocky trails. And thanks to Kenworth's smart traction management system, this truck stays stable even in extreme conditions, rain, snow, or mud. Inside the cabin, luxury meets functionality. Step inside, and you're greeted by a mix of handcrafted leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents. The cockpit is designed with drivers in mind. A 15-inch digital display dominates the dashboard, showing everything from engine performance to real-time towing data. There's also a secondary 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with full wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. And because Kenworth knows its roots, they've included a unique trucker mode, which displays trailer angles, load distribution, and even nearby weigh station data. Comfort is another area where Kenworth shines. The seats are designed using memory foam and feature heating, cooling, and massage functions. A panoramic sunroof, 22-speaker premium sound system, and ambient LED lighting create an interior atmosphere that feels more like a luxury SUV than a heavy-duty pickup. Kenworth also made sure this pickup stands at the forefront of technology and safety. It comes equipped with 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and even semi-autonomous driving capability for highway travel. The onboard AI co-pilot, nicknamed KW Assist, learns your driving style over time, adjusting power delivery, suspension stiffness, and braking to match your preferences. When it comes to customization, buyers will have multiple trims to choose from: the rugged WorkPro Edition, the mid-level TrailMaster, and the top-tier Platinum Elite, each offering different levels of luxury, off-road capability, and performance tuning. The 2026 Kenworth pickup truck isn't just another vehicle, it's a statement. It's Kenworth proving that the spirit of American trucking can evolve into a powerful, high-tech machine that's ready for a new generation. Whether you're a longtime trucker or just someone who craves strength and style, this pickup is designed to redefine what it means to drive a true powerhouse. So, what do you think about the 2026 Kenworth pickup? Could this be the next king of the road? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the most powerful machines on the planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.